Starting an affiliate marketing website is exciting. It's the first step towards creating a platform where you can share your passion and earn money by promoting products you love. The first step is choosing a domain name. This is a crucial decision because it will represent your brand online. This is your website's address on the internet, and it needs to be unique and memorable. Pick a name that's catchy, easy to remember, and relevant to the products you'll promote. Brainstorm different ideas and check their availability. For example, if you're promoting fitness products, a domain name like fitnessgearreviews.com could work well. It clearly indicates what your site is about. Next, you'll need web hosting. This is an essential service that allows your website to be accessible on the internet. This is like renting space on the internet for your website to live. Without hosting, your site won't be visible to anyone. Think of it as renting a store space for your business. Just like a physical store needs a location, your website needs hosting. There are many hosting providers available, so compare their prices and features. Look for reliability, customer support, and scalability. Once you've got your domain and hosting, it's time to build your website. This is where your creativity comes into play. You can hire a web designer or use a website builder platform like WordPress. WordPress is a popular choice for many reasons. WordPress is popular because it's user-friendly and has many themes and plugins to help you customize your site. You can make it look exactly how you want. A website makes your affiliate marketing efforts more professional. It gives you a platform to showcase your content and build trust with your audience. It's like having a storefront for your business, making it easier for people to find you and learn about the products you recommend. A well-designed website can significantly boost your affiliate marketing success. Now, let's talk about your sales page. This is where the magic happens. It's the page where you'll convince visitors to buy the affiliate product. Your sales page is essentially your digital storefront. Before you start designing, take a look at your competitors' sales pages. Analyze their layout, color schemes, and the overall user experience they provide. What headlines are they using? Are they catchy and compelling enough to grab attention? Where are they placing their affiliate links? Notice the strategic positions that encourage clicks. There are two main types of review pages you can create: single product reviews and comparison reviews. Each serves a unique purpose. A single product review focuses on one specific product, highlighting its features, benefits, and drawbacks. This helps in-depth understanding. A comparison review, on the other hand, compares two or more similar products side by side. This type of review is great for showcasing differences. This helps potential customers make an informed decision by seeing the pros and cons of each option. The more detailed and honest your reviews, the more trust you build with your audience. The key to a successful sales page is building trust with your audience. Trust is the foundation of any successful relationship. And this is no different in the digital world. People are more likely to buy from someone they trust. Trust can be built through consistent, honest communication and delivering on promises. So, how do you build trust? Be genuine in your reviews. Authenticity resonates with people, and they can tell when you're being sincere. Don't just sing praises about a product. Highlight its flaws too. This balanced approach shows that you're providing a fair and honest assessment. People appreciate honesty, and it makes your review more believable. When your audience sees that you're not afraid to point out the negatives, they trust your positives even more. Use compelling headlines that grab attention and make people want to learn more. A strong headline can be the difference between a click and a pass, for example. Instead of a boring headline like Product X Review, try something like Product X, the secret weapon for desired outcome. This sparks curiosity and interest. Strategically place your affiliate links throughout your content. Placement is key to ensuring they are noticed but not intrusive. Make sure they're visible and easy to find, but don't overdo it. Overloading your content with links can be off-putting. The goal is to naturally weave them into your content so they don't seem pushy. This creates a seamless experience for your audience, enhancing their trust and engagement. Choosing the right affiliate products to promote is crucial. Select products that you genuinely believe in and that align with your audience's interests. Providing excellent customer service is also essential. Respond to emails and comments promptly and address any concerns your customers may have. Finally, remember that affiliate marketing is an ongoing process. Stay updated on industry trends, experiment with different strategies, and never stop learning. The more you put into it, the more you'll get out of it.